Hi guys, here is Belsee. Today I will introduce this 7-inch IPS touchscreen special for Kia Sorento 29 to 2012 years. Okay, you can check this UI interface. It will come with special harness and install part. This special harness you can check this power connection. Will come with head units. Okay, let me show the head units. They have DVD slots, support video out. Let me check the video out. It supports video out because it have DVD slots. Okay, firstly let me introduce you can choose the time, you can choose logo, you can check Belsee is the manufacturer of Android head unit, telephone number and email address you can contact to us. You can choose the Kia logo. This one, you back the home, it will show Kia. There are two SD card slots, this IR, this microphone reset hole, this mini USB, volume button work. Okay, let me change the SIM editor. You can change any color on this panel. Okay, let me change the red. Okay, let me introduce the Bluetooth. Long press it will add the app. Choose the Bluetooth. When you click it again, it will show Bluetooth this device and the pin number. Please enable Bluetooth from your phone at first. Okay, there is Bluetooth, you can enable it. Click search button. You will get Galaxy S8. Click pair button. It will show connecting. Okay, put the pin number 40. Click OK. The first time, let me try it again. Okay, connect to the show Bluetooth icon. You can make a phone call. Okay, it works. Let me show the Bluetooth streaming music from your phone. A to DP. stop. It's mute button. Okay, you can check this version and MCU, CPU octa-core, memory size 4 GB, model is PX5, Android version Android 9 Pie system. Storage, you can check this total 64 GB. 64 GB. Okay. This is USB cable. There is two USB cable and this USB cable for mini USB cable front this USB port. And you can, this is USB hub. You can check this switch and USB 3.0. There are USB hubs for USB 1, 2, 3, 4. You can connect the USB DVR, 4G USB dongle, USB DAB, and other USB connection. Okay, this supports USB hub. You can connect this front mini. Okay, connect switch on. Let me connect the USB driver test. It's USB hub. Okay, it play music automatically. It work. video. You can check video is disabled for your safety. So you need to set it in the settings. Find the car setting. Find the driving setting. Turn on the watch video. This watch video turn on, and I will play video. Choose it. Send some 4K demo video. This reward award. This navy button is built in Google Maps and supports the split screen. There are no music like this. Let me play the music. Okay, that's all. If you have any more questions, please contact to us. Okay, thank you.